going on, guys? F1 with AKCC at AKCC headquarters. As you can see right there, our 99 Casablanca, 2010 Land Rover, and our 2007 Cayman S. Today I'm just going to take you guys through a day in the life of a used car salesman startup, and we're using the Cayman as an example, putting that up for sale. We'll show you what we do, how we list it, and get everything ready for sale. Stay tuned, guys. Alrighty, boys, just finished shooting the Cayman S. Got videos, photos. Gonna show you how we post, what we do, where we post, our secrets to success, you know what I'm saying? Not sponsored, but sponsor me. White flavored energy drink. My cameraman told me he only got about one good take out of like 15. I'll be showing you the bloopers, the highlights, keep you guys in the loop. You know, even professionals like myself. And
I got 0 of any of them.